morning, Interior Solutions Agency. The year is 2013. You have survived the end of the world, the defeat of mankind, the collision of planet and planet. You have conquered doomsday, and you conquered victoriously. You joined company with company, welcomed strangers, rocked a recession, and quite purposefully rung in success. You are a favored group and capable of much, and so your new mission, should you choose to accept it, is to take on the forthcoming challenges and goals of 2013, and to do it with vigor. You will need to rely strongly on your team members and department, but you may also find it necessary to recruit members from other departments in order to accomplish your mission. Because of the importance of this mission, you have the authority to utilize any member of the agency. They are all highly skilled and will no doubt be critical to the success of the mission. Resources at the Alpha Command Center are also yours for the taking. As always, should any member of the Interior Solutions Agency be caught or killed, the Secretary will disavow all knowledge of your actions. This tape will self-destruct in 5 seconds. Good luck, IS Agency.